Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your keycap. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to, when you click on settings here, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for keycap, or just click on search, then here add keycap. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this here, click on force stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, so you just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.